Okay, you are here because you're wondering what would a chlorine, specifically a PurAClear chlorine injection system, do for your family? Well, a PurAClear chlorine system is designed to use the latest technology, computerized technology, to exact dose the chlorine into your water supply. Why do we want to do that? Well, there is the benefits. It kills bacteria. This is why around the country, it is required by law for the cities to inject chlorine or chloramine into your water. What does it do? It kills those bacteria, making your family more healthy. The second thing it does is it oxidizes the organics in your water. That could be black or red or orange colors, and it pulls that out in this first contact tank. Then the PurAClear chlorinator runs the chlorinated water through a carbon filter that takes the chlorine back out. Yes, we don't like chlorine at Angel Water. It is, however, a necessary evil in most cases. That's why we inject it, kill bacteria, then take it all back out. If you'd like to learn more about this, reach out to us. We're happy to help you. It's a phenomenal product if you live in Chicago or in Florida, because if you live on a well, you need that extra help. We look forward to serving you.